What do you think? It's cool, right? This is going to be a vlog style video, and what you guys will notice in my vlog style videos is I'm never on mic. What it means to be on mic is you'll see there's usually a little lapel mic on my chest when I'm doing sort of gear review type things. I want to be off mic and on camera sound when I vlog because I wanted to hear what I hear. I wanted to hear that motorbike in the background, and I wanted to hear the sound of the city and of my life and that kind of thing. So let me know if you're okay with that, or if you want me to be full on mic. It's going to sound slightly more like I'm in a studio with no background noise. I don't know. I like when I vlog for you to hear what I hear, but let me know. I'm going to be opening some packages today because I have a ton of packages. What do you guys think I should do for customization on the Kaka bag? Question. Do you think I should do a competition with a bag like this? I've noticed they're not too expensive, a few $100, and I was thinking of buying one and running a competition. A lot of guys on my channel are freaking out because Michelle said I should give one of my backpacks away. Still a cause for problems in a relationship. Anyway, on to some packages. Now, first of all, I want to talk about this. This was sent to me by the guys at Empire Skincare, and they sent it to me a while ago. It's like this male skin. It's like this male skincare range, and I haven't shown too much of it because I'm not really into this sort of... My word. And I haven't shown too much of it because I am very bad at this. So the guys at Empire Skincare, please note that Michelle and I talk about this often. She desperately wants me to be more into my skin type deal. I'm just so lazy to do things like this. Like, I'm even too lazy to bother with my hair, which is why I keep it this short. Even shaving in the morning, it's such a schlep. So I really do appreciate this. Michelle talks about this at least once a week. When are you going to use that cool skincare products? Guys, if you want skincare for men, check out Empire_RSA on Instagram. I will leave links to them in the video description below. Very, very cool stuff. She loves the smell of it, so maybe it will please the lady in your life as well. Package numero uno. Box. Good day, EDC for the EDG team. My name is Brandon. I'm the founder and CEO of Leffew Perfumery. Perfumery, what a nice word. I've watched every episode you've posted on YouTube and really enjoy your content. That's nice. That hits me right here, like in the emoticons, you know what I mean? I've created a fragrance for you and the missus to show my appreciation and support for what you're doing for the EDC community here in our beautiful country. Why for the missus? Michelle not only costs me bags, but now she gets stuff that I'm supposed to get as well. I'm not a jealous person, okay? I just like when I get everything. I hope you enjoy the creations. I hope you enjoy the creations as much as I do. Now you can smell like $1 million, perform like John Wick himself. Now he's saying the right things. Instagram at LeffewZA, LEFEUZA. Facebook page is LEFEUZA. Then the pie icon. The pie icon. There you go. Kind regards, Brandon Gambia. Kratos. I'm assuming this is the guy's one. It's definitely a nice looking bottle. Seems really nice. Oh, it tastes like, have you ever tasted cyanide and depleted uranium? That's exactly what it tastes like. Let's try that again like a normal person. Guys, it smells really nice. It's got a, that's some, God damn, that's nice. Oh, it smells like, it's addictive, like a mixture of cocaine and Jesus. Go and buy Leffew Kratos. It smells great. I'm an Issey Miyake man myself. I really like the smell of Issey Miyake, but this might just have overtaken that. Although this doesn't taste as nice as Issey Miyake tastes. I just want to put that out there. It's not the first time this has happened to me. Leffew Kratos smells great. This is my new for sure. That's spectacular. Thank you so much, Brandon. And now let's open Michelle's as well. Leffew Aphrodite. It smells like, keep your finger off the trigger when you do this. It smells, it's sweet. Babe?
Yeah.
I bought you perfume from this company called Leffew. It smells really nice.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You're welcome. Okay, on to package numero 3. This is from Southwest Holsters. Why do you guys package things like this? Like, it's, woo! Oh yeah. So this is the new Southwest Holsters Viper. Remember the Viper? One second. The Viper was only for the base firearm and didn't have a weapon light function. By the way, safety freaks, we are safe. This is a Viper for the PL Pro. What do you think? I think it looks legend. Look at that optic cut. Just right. Look at, this is what I like, right? Look at how this thing is molded perfectly to the light. And remember, James at Southwest Holsters hand molds these things, right? Artisticism. Very, very cool. By the way, guys, remember I said on Sunday is a competition? I'll give you one of the prizes. One of them. Urban Warrior has offered the winner of the competition, which I'm going to outline on Father's Day, their choice of any Urban Warrior item of clothing. You can have infiltrator pants, recon pants, delta shorts, gear patch tee, general tee, UC mask. You can pick anything and they will custom make it for you, for your specifications. Urban Warrior, if you don't know, they make EDC clothing that caters for everyday carriers, concealed carriers. Link to their video either here or here, because I don't know left from right on when I'm, you know. What do you think? I think it's hotness. So the Southwest Holsters Viper now does cater for a weapon light. Southwest Holsters are on my website. I will get this on there as soon as possible, as soon as I speak to James about pricing, but this looks quite good. On to last package of the day, or of this video at least, because I've got things to do today still. So this is package number, what's it, 6 now? And I've been waiting for this. Okay. Oh yeah. These are from Torch SA, and they are these new weapon mounted lights. Now, you know how Olight got rid of the PL Mini, which is the PL Mini was my favorite mini weapon light. It was just the right everything. I like the PL Mini too, but I like the PL Mini original more. This is like a PL Mini. Why are things packaged so? What are your thoughts? It is a max 510 lumen. Let's see what it looks like on the the Pew. Not bad. That's actually quite nice. And I like the button as well. The button is a press-in button, like my PL Pro. Very, very nice. So this is called the Trustfire GM21. I believe it is available from Torch SA right now, so go and check that out. And from what I understand, this should fit into a PL Mini holster. And to be honest, it does. So now, that's cool. It fits into a PL Mini holster. I'll take that. And it fits a bit more snug than the PL Mini does, but it definitely does fit into a holster that caters for the PL Mini. Really cool new weapon mounted light for me to play with. And then they've also got the GM23, which is a max 800 lumen. Give me 45 minutes while I have to get this thing out of the packaging. The GM23, I think this is more the PL Mini 2 design, kind of more PL Mini 2 looking and feeling, right? So this is more for your subcompact. 800 lumens, which is brighter than the PL Mini 2 if I remember correctly. So very cool. I like, off the bat, I like the button press on this way more than I like it on any of the PL Minis from Olight. So yeah, the question is now, I'm going to get some holsters made for these. I will go do some shooting when I can, when the ranges are properly open again, and I'll give you guys a full review. But they look quite nice, and from what I understand, they are less expensive than the Olight series of similar lights. But we've got to also test reliability and that sort of thing. So, Trustfire, Southwest holsters, Empire Skincare, and Leffew Perfumery. Love the word. Thank you so much. I'm going to be doing another mail time video soon where I talk about affiliate links. I wanted to save the mail for that video, so you hear the cars. I like that you can hear it, because you should be able to hear it, because we are, So, going to be talking about the affiliate links in another mail time video, because I'm getting some flashlights that I want to really show you guys as I open it. Also from Torch SA, I think. So, as always, a massive thank you to everybody who sent me all these really cool things. There'll be pics and reviews and tags and all those things coming soon. I will catch you either later in the week for another mail time, or on Sunday for the massive giveaway that I'm doing for Father's Day. It's not the giveaway on Sunday, it's the details of the giveaway on Sunday. So maybe subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss it, or if you already subscribed, maybe subscribe to another EDC channel to show your support for them. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon. Have a good one. Cheers, God bless.